How to connect your Instagram account to other social media platforms. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open the Instagram app on your device. If you do not have this application, you can head over to Play Store or App Store to download and install this app. Once you have opened this application, you first want to log into your account. Now, if you want to connect your Instagram account to other social media platforms such as Facebook, then follow these simple steps. The first step is to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. From here, tap on the option of Account Center. In Account Center, you can do different things such as account settings, connected experiences, and much more. Here you want to tap on the option of sharing across profiles, which is under the connected experiences section. Once you tap on this option, you can add accounts to enable connected experiences such as sharing your Instagram story and post to Facebook. Now tap on the Add Accounts option. Here you have two options. The first one is to add a Facebook account and the second one is to add Instagram account. If you want to add Facebook account, tap on the first option. Then you will have to enter your mobile number or email address, then enter the Facebook password and tap on the login option. Once you log in, you will be connected to the Facebook account. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.